Yo, what up, Autosport team? I'm here with my boy Fireman Trip.
My brother.
He just pulled up in the all-new BMW M8 competition. We're about to do mad work to it. And as you guys can see, the car is beautiful, original, don't really need nothing, but that's family. So you know we're gonna have to give it that Autosport touch, and we're gonna take it up a notch. All right, under this bad boy, it's already pushing 635 horsepowers. However, we're gonna take it up. So with the tune and the downpipes, it's gonna go from 635 to well over 700 horsepower. The car is gonna ride much more aggressive and it's gonna have way more speed. And I can't wait for him to test it out and see how it feels. And what I'm holding here is a KPMF wrap book. Vehicle is a beautiful color. However, like I said, we're gonna switch it up and give it the Autosport touch, and we're also gonna preserve his factory paint. We decided to go with the KPMF Matte Ice Silver Titanium. Here are the forgiato wheels. These are 22-inch. If you notice, this is in a gray gunmetal finish. The wrap is like a gray gunmetal color as well. We're debating now whether we should go gray on gray, gunmetal on gunmetal, or we'll do the same wheel, but in a high gloss black finish, which I recommended. I think it'll pop a lot more with the gloss black wheels, and it'll bring out the wrap itself, especially because it has gloss black and carbon fiber details, and I think that's a much better idea. But it's still up for debate. We're definitely gonna go with the gloss black though, I know that.
You let us hear what y'all
Style always been about chow. My guns go boom boom and your guns go out.